Alright guys, welcome back to the channel and to the garden. In today's video we're going to check out some new small palms that have come into B&M. You're just having a look right here at one of my new tree ferns from my massive plant haul from Hillside Exotics. Check out that video, it just came out yesterday if you haven't seen that yet. But with that said, let's jump straight down to B&M and show you the palms. Just as we walk into the garden center, we can see here the 3750s that we've seen before. Just want to show you these in comparison. So this is a Trachycarpus Wagnerianus palm. Again, £37.50, reasonable sized trunk. And when we look at the smaller palms, you'll see what I mean here. A Chamerops here, the soil's looking a little bit like it may have fallen over. Got some of the roots exposed here. Reasonable plants for £37.50 though. Now let's check out the small ones, give you the comparison. So here you can see I've laid out the new palms that have come in. I won't go into depth about the other plants. This is on a previous tour of B&M. Certainly check that out, one of my longer ones. But just as we walk over here, firstly, we've got one of the Trachycarpus Wagnerianus palms. Now, again, these are a bit stiffer leaves, coming in at just £18.50 on this one, which is quite a good size for the size of plant if you're thinking of comparing to the one we've just seen. You can see fairly healthy looking, a little bit stretched. But these are stiffer leaves and better for the high wind sort of positions in the garden. Now with this one here, it should be hardy down to your kind of -12, so great plant for our UK gardens. One thing to check on these, you can see, is that little bit of root wobble or trunk wobble. Again, it's always worth trying to get it as kind of firm in as possible. Next, you can see here we've got one of the Phoenix roebelenis. Now this is a bit smaller size than we had last year. We only had the £37.50 if I'm correct. Again, a little bit of root wobble, but for £18.50 it does look like it has gone to the bottom of the pot. Quite small pots on these, but a fairly healthy plant. Now this is only hardy down to about the -3. I've lost some in the garden at -7. Next to that here we have our Zantedeschia. I've got it listed here as an arum lily, but it really resembles the Zantedeschia that I've got in my garden, which is perennial. You can see lovely foliage on that. Great size plant, coming in at just £16.50 on this one here. And again, you can see that lovely white flower on top here. Again, great interest sort of throughout the year. Absolutely love them in my garden. Definitely one I wouldn't be without. So certainly a great pickup if you can. Next to that here, we have our standard Chamerops. Now again, this one is £18.50. And comparing to the one we've just seen, I certainly think you get quite a nice plant for the £18.50 here. Personally, I'd probably go for the £18.50 one, but the 3750s are slightly larger. Again, personal choice on that one here. Next, we've got our Chamerops volcano. Again, £18.50 on these. These are fantastic little plants. Really compact form of the standard Chamerops, and similar to your Waggy with this kind of stiffness of leaves. So good for your kind of higher wind or kind of open areas in the garden. A bit more of a compact type palm, more of a kind of bushing style here, and you can see this one has got some indications of flower coming on, which is always great to see this time of year. Following from that here, we do have one of the Trachycarpus palms. Again, hardy down to about your -18, with the volcano being around about the -12 as well. Good sized little plant here, and you can see decent size form, up to about 2.5 foot to the top. Decent little trunk, and again, fairly firm in the pot. £18.50 on these as well. Definitely a great bargain on these, worth checking out. And again, if you haven't checked out the friends of the channel, they will be in the comment section below. And of course, thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.